Hello Hivers, good afternoon. We are currently at MOALBOAL Dog Rescue here at MOALBOAL Cebu. So I am with Kim and Claire. Say hi.
So hello guys, we are at MOALBOAL Dog Rescue Center and we will be doing a fundraising charity event as a year-end celebration for us hivers here. We've already talked with management and we've also visited the shelter, and we will be sharing some details on how we can help, and hopefully you can support us in this charity event.
Hi guys, we're asking for your support in the form of upvote, reblog, comment, tips, or you can send it to Ende Clara's account. It's very much appreciated. Thank you very much. I hope this year will end in a blast to help these rescued dogs in the center. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Are you doing like adoption drives? Do you do it like just like online, or like you have an event?
Online.
Online.
Yeah. On Facebook, on Twitter, and Instagram.
Yeah.
I am bring the puppies to the to the city, Kanka, and this is the puppy house one.
Yeah.
We are finished now.
Nice.
And this is for feeding.
Feeding?
Dog feeding. When we have dogs, they are not so
Go
they
baby.
not so like the others. Then we separated it.
Okay.
And they can have quietly the food and or inside the busy the bigger ones and outside the smaller ones.
Okay.
Yeah, we can share it.
Do you, I saw your Facebook page, do you still like, what are the things that you still lack here, or like, perhaps like what you really need? I saw that you still need cages. Yes, what else?
Only the bigger one.
The bigger cage.
Okay. Also here for the current area, we have only this cage now. It's tiny. We need more space between. And now, tomorrow, we will have concrete floors. And then we need more cages, a little bit separated around together. That's very urgent. And what we always need is food, money for the vaccination, meat, vegetables, rice. That it's what we need every week. Yeah.
Okay.
And also the salaries for the caretakers. And yeah,
How many workers do you have?
four.
Okay.
And they stay also at night here.
Hello Hivers, so I am now with Ma'am Linda, one of the managers, and she would like to give a little message to all of you guys.
Yeah, we need a lot of nice supporters. We need always food and vitamins and rice and meat and a little bit money for vaccination. It's very urgent for the puppies to they can alive. Yes, thank you in advance and nice day.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Linda, again for welcoming us here, and we hope to be back soon if possible, and then we will see you again. Thank you. Please read through our blog post and we will tell you all the details or information how you can support MOALBOAL Dog Shelter. We will keep you updated, guys.
Thank you, and please do support us.